Don't try to hold a sneeze, it might cut your throat. When you sneeze, your body naturally releases a burst of air through your nose and mouth to expel irritants. The idea of cutting your throat might be a misunderstanding or a misinterpretation of the sensation you feel when you try to stifle or stop a sneeze. However, it's generally not recommended to forcefully stop a sneeze, as it can potentially lead to other issues. When you sneeze, your body is trying to get rid of irritants or foreign particles, and suppressing the sneeze may redirect the pressure to other areas, such as the ears or sinuses. This could potentially cause discomfort or, in rare cases, lead to more serious issues like a ruptured eardrum.